Metal spinning's quite a unique process, and there's lots to learn about it. The bird baths have been very interesting. The train horns.
Ooh. What's the thing you like most about working for this particular team?
The management, the camaraderie between everybody. Everyone's very open and willing to help and look after each other.
What's your favourite sports team?
Bulldogs.
I've been here for 30 years. I like cars, I like fitness, and I like cooking.
What drew you into metal spinning in the first place?
Manufacturing parts that not many people can do. Yeah.
And have you enjoyed it?
Oh yeah, love it.
Yeah?
Love it. Yeah.
Excellent.
If you want quality parts, we can produce quality parts.
So what do you enjoy most about working for Woodland Metal?
The people that work here, I think it's a great Aussie family business. Yeah. I think the people make it, yes.
And how long have you been with Woodland Metal Spinning?
I've been here for about 6 years this month. I love the culture. The people here are really nice. The work's very unique.
What's the one thing you wish people knew more about what you do?
I think it's just the whole process of what metal spinning can do. So it can do a seamless part out of one piece. A lot of people are still welding pieces together when it can just be metal spun. It just really depends on your imagination where this can take you.
Okay.
We make lots of interesting things that people just don't think is possible.
I like working with the co-workers here. They're very nice. And I play table tennis.
Table tennis?
Yeah.
And,
photography as well.
Oh, that's right.
I like grilled chicken. So sorry, I'm not good into it.
I've really enjoyed being here since I started. There's the people here. Everyone's really kind to me, really nice. I'm one of the youngest here, and when I'm around these people here, they're always really nice to me.
Oh, excellent.
I was spinning a copper bird bath the other day. Things I didn't even know you could spin metal like that.
Yeah.
It's really interesting. Deburring parts and things like that. There's so many things I've learnt about metal that I never knew of before.
Yeah.
It's just a great place to work. Yep.
Wonderful.